Alright, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Devotion. 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 Yes, there we are. Devotion. Yes. Love and loyalty. Loyalty to something or someone. She has a lot of devotion for him. He has a lot of devotion for her. Yes. There is a lot of love and devotion in their relationship. It is a marriage built on devotion. Yeah. He, she, I have endless devotion for her. How cool is that? She has a lot of devotion for him. Her devotion for me has grown over the years. Grown. Yes. His fans have a lot of devotion for the group. Yes. So the people have a lot of devotion for their leader. They share a lot. They share a strong bond of devotion. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. They were devoted to the cause. Yeah, they were devoted to the cause. He was devoted to me. He was devoted to the plan. She was devoted to her husband. How cool is that? Yeah, remember, love and loyalty. I'm devoting my spare time to charity. Loyalty to something or someone. They want to devote more time to their work. Yeah, loyalty and working towards something. He will devote more as he makes more. Yeah. He will devote more of his life to her. She will devote her life to him. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, devote her love and loyalty to something or someone, the leader, the husband, the wife, the children, the family. How cool is that? Yeah, or country. So devotion. Now, can you use devotion in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yeah, on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, on Udemy. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.